Hi, I'm Jane Velez Mitchell, and I've just written a new book, Exposed: The Secret Life of Jodi Arias. My book, Exposed: The Secret Life of Jodi Arias, goes to the deeper why. Why did this happen? How could a demure, supposedly young woman slit a guy's throat ear to ear 6 inches across and 3.5 inches deep? How does that happen? This book answers that question with stunning new information that has never been reported before about her motives, about her methods, and about why she was driven to this absolutely inexplicable act. Criminal trials are one of the very few venues in our culture where we really get to see what happens behind closed doors. For us to be able to get inside this case and really study the sexual relationship between these two, to the point where we're hearing sex tapes and we're seeing triple X-rated chats, we are getting to look at what people never see. I mean, we're seeing in this case what people don't tell their psychiatrists or their lovers or their fathers or their mothers or their sisters. We're getting to see reality in all of its scariness. Jodi Arias tried to make Travis Alexander the person on trial. She tried to make herself the victim. In this book, we outline precisely why Travis is the victim. It's really her demonic behavior in trying to turn him into the monster that makes her the true monster.